So children, as in previous video we were discussing about the health. Again here they have given the definition of the health, that it is the state of the body which is uh, uh, health is defined as the state of the body and mind, and according to Greek Hippocrates and ancient Ayurveda, that body possesses black biles and good humors and bad humors, that is black bile, and person suffering from or having the black bile suffers from fever and various diseases. But after the discovery of the blood circulatory system by William Harvey and the experimental demonstration to measure the body temperature with the help of thermometer, this hypothesis was disproved, and it was explained that body mind is actually influenced by the blood, by the immune system, by endocrine system, and by nervous system. Various other factors which affects our health are genetic disorder which transmits from parents to the offspring, disease diseases caused by various microorganisms, that is various infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, and lifestyle which I have already explained you, that the balanced diet, yoga, exercise, the water which takes, all affects our health. Now it comes here, I am taking these things fastly because I have explained you two times earlier. Now, the health according to WHO is defined not only the absence from disease or physical fitness is a health, rather one should be mentally, physically, and socially fit. No social problem, no mental disorder or physical ailment should be there. Now our health is also be various factors which affects our health are is balanced diet, personal hygiene, and regular exercise. We should be aware of various diseases and their causing agent, and vaccination, immunization, proper disposal of the waste, and proper maintenance of hygienic food, and the resources which are necessary for achieving good health we should be aware of. After that, here there is a classification of the disease. The disease can be classified as infectious, non-infectious diseases which is spread from person to person and which do not spread. Now pathogens are what? Which causes diseases. They are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoans and helminths. Okay. So now here in your book they have here first given the diseases caused by the bacteria, then after that they are here giving the diseases caused by viruses, disease caused by protozoans, and after that the protozoan life cycle, malarial parasite, disease caused by helminths, and disease caused by fungi. Actually here the things are given in paragraph. This you can see the whole paragraph is given, but the question based on this topic is what are the causing agent, what are the symptoms, what are the prevention, what is the vector, what are the control, so that I am showing you everything now in points only. Okay, so now you come to here that this table is very well explaining the infectious diseases are caused by virus, bacteria, protozoan, fungus, and helminths. Disease caused by viruses are common cold, polio, measles, dengue, and chikungunya. Caused by bacteria are typhoid, plague, pneumonia, tetanus, and diphtheria. Caused by protozoans are malaria and amoeboisis. Fungal disease is ringworm, and disease caused by helminthes is ascariasis, filariasis, and taniasis. Okay, all of these are pathogens. First of all, here we are taking the disease caused by viruses. So what type of question do the board ask? Causing agent number 1, symptoms number 2, prevention number 3. Okay, and if some test is there, then it is number 4 or control. Now we are here coming to the first disease. Question number 1, what is the causing agent? The causing agent of common cold is rhinovirus. What are the symptoms? Symptom is this virus infects the nasal part or the respiratory system, but not the lungs. The infection do not reaches up to the lungs. That means symptoms are nasal congestion, discharge, nasal discharge, cough, tiredness, hoarseness in the voice, headache, and sore throat. Common symptoms are there, जिसको हम सर्दी खांसी बुखार कहते हैं. Then 3 to 7 days is the time of the problem or disease, and it is spreads by droplet infection, by coughing or by sneezing, by the infected person to the healthy person, and it also spreads by the contaminated objects. That means if the objects which are used by infected person, they, if it is used by healthy person, so that they may, it becomes the cause of spread of disease. The next disease is dengue. The causing agent of dengue is again a virus. It is spreads by Aedes aegypti mosquito. Symptoms are again the common symptom fever, then muscle and joint pain, headache, and characteristics skin rashes like measles. दाने दाने हो जाते हैं. It is also characterized by hemorrhagic fever. In this disease, the platelets counts goes down, or in the blood it decreases. It results into hemorrhagic fever. Then the vector which spreads this disease is mosquito only. Then another disease is chikungunya. It is spread by alpha virus, which is a double-stranded RNA virus. Its vector is Aedes mosquito only. It again spreads by high fever, and specific rashes on the trunk are the symptom of this disease. And nausea and vomiting. Nausea is the feeling of vomiting only. Multiple joint pain are the symptoms of this disease. Again, the control is prevention of the mosquito. Now it comes the bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases may, the first disease is typhoid. Causing agent is Salmonella typhi. Spreads by contaminated food and water. It affects your small intestine. इसमें एक क्वेश्चन और ऐड होता है कि which part of the body is affected in various diseases. जैसे कि आपने सबसे कॉमन कोल्ड में रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम इज अफेक्टेड. In typhoid, the intestine is affected. Symptoms are sustained high fever, loss of appetite, भूख नहीं लगना, headache, stomach pain and constipation. I will be sending these notes through these lectures. Intestinal perforation, intestine porous हो जाती है due to the infection of Salmonella typhi. And the test to diagnose this disease is a Vidal test. Then pneumonia, it is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. And in this, the infection reached up to the lungs. Lungs alveoli get infected. It results into the, they may get filled with the fluid also, resulting into the severe respiratory problem or breathing problem. It also includes fever, cough, headache and chills. Severe cases it may lead into the death also, and in severe cases due to the deficiency of oxygen result into the grayish and bluish nails and lips. So this is all about the disease caused by bacteria and viruses. Tomorrow we will see the disease caused by protozoans, helminthes and fungus. Thank you.